Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to dive right into building a digital asset management system in Airtable. First things first, let's set up our Airtable base. Go to Add a Base and select Start from Scratch. Here, we'll name our base Digital Asset Management. This is the foundation of our system, the hub where we'll store and manage all our digital assets. Now that we've done that, let's create a table. Click on Add a Table and name it Assets. This table will hold all the detailed information about each asset. The reason we do this is to have a centralized place where we can quickly find and track our digital assets. Next up, we're going to customize the fields in our Assets table. We'll need fields for asset name, asset type, date created, last modified, owner, and status. Feel free to add more fields that suit your needs. This helps us because it allows us to track necessary details for each asset and enables us to sort and filter assets in a snap. Now let's upload our assets. Click on the plus icon in the Asset Name field and upload your digital assets. You can upload files directly from your computer, Google Drive, Dropbox, and more. This is where all your assets will live. It's key in creating an organized, easily searchable system. Once we've populated our assets table, we'll create views. Click on Add a View, select Grid, and name it Active Assets. Customize the view to only show assets with the status active. Repeat this process for archived assets. The reason we do this is to have an overview of our active and archived assets. It allows us to easily see the status of our assets and keep our workflow organized. Lastly, we're going to set up sharing permissions. Click on Share at the top right corner and select the people you want to share the base with. You can choose their access level: read-only, commenter, editor, or creator. This is crucial for collaboration and ensures that everyone involved has access to the assets they need. And there you have it. You've just built a digital asset management system in Airtable. This system will help you stay organized, streamline workflows, and make collaboration a breeze. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.